Hey guys, Jason Guyman here, just giving you a tip or trick to help you grow your business and be successful and to support your family and to be the best you can be. So today I want to talk to you about exterior window cleaning. Exterior window cleaning is something that we did an add-on about 3 years ago, I believe it was. We're not window cleaners. I don't know all the ins and outs about window cleaning, but I do know that this is a great add-on, and we upsell this probably 50% of the time just by putting it in our package. And people will always go for that middle package or third package. So, with that being said, window cleaning is it's pretty good money for what it is. So we don't do exterior window cleaning by itself. We only add it to our packages because most people that want window cleaning, they actually want inside and out, and we don't go inside. But with that being said, I'm just going to show you, we add window cleaning on. It starts around $100 for a small house, and then it goes up from there. It goes up to about $250 for our middle package, added on to our regular house cleaning. And with window cleaning, it's a very simple add-on. It usually takes 20-30 minutes to do it, if that. That's pulling the hose out, doing them, and everything. Now, with that being said, you really need to know how to do the window cleaning. I may do that in another video. I'll show you the proper way to clean a window so you don't get streaks in that. But with that being said, there is some things that you need for window cleaning. One is we use, I can't think what the name of it is. I believe it's the Tucker brush, but I don't know if that, no. We got a Tucker brush, we got another brush and I won't name its name. We also got we got a Reach It, we got a Xerox. We actually got 3 Xeroxes. They work great for what it is. We're doing 2-3 stories and that's it. And they work perfect. They're cheap, they do great. I'll put a link down below to all of it. But with that being said, so that's our pole and our brush. So this is, I wanted to kind of show you the system that we use to actually get the deionized water to the brush so that we clean it, and when we clean it, we'll make it spot free, and that's our goal. We don't want spots on the window. We get spots on the window, we're going back and hitting them again. And this is probably one of our top 2 reasons we get callbacks. Spots on the window or dirty siding that the guy skipped. But if you do it right, 9 times out of 10 you'll be fine with it. But so here's some things that you need to have with it. So I'm gonna pick up the camera here. So one thing we do is we have hose here. It's I believe it's 5/16. I'll put the link on it. It's real flexible. We actually, at the time, I didn't have enough of this, and this truck's actually got the Flex Gorilla hose on it. It's a little bit tougher and a little bit harder to pull. This stuff here, it doesn't knot up, and it does really well. And I'll put a link in it below. But this is 200 feet long. That way we can go all the way around the house and never have to stop and see. So we do go through our super swivel or a swivel. This ain't the super swivel, but this is the swivel that came with this hose reel. And you can see this hose reel's been on there for about 1.5 years, 2 years, and it's still on there. So it works good and it doesn't leak. But from there, we'll go down here. I'll walk over here to the other side of the truck. And from that tank, it goes into this thing here, which is called a DI tank. A DI tank. I'll talk about the DI tank. I got some over here, some spares. But from the DI tank, we come down around and we come into 1 gallon a minute. Actually, I think this one might be 2 gallon a minute pump, 12 volt pump. So from the pump, this goes and gets routed into the tank. So it goes from the tank up to the pump. The pump pumps it in through the DI tank. The DI tank gets the TDS down to 15 or less, and that's what keeps it spot free. From that tank, we come over to the swivel, in through the swivel, out through the hose, out through the brush. So over here we got a few DI tanks down here, 4 of them, and this is how we do our water so we can get our TDS. TDS is the particulates of the dirt, or so, like I say, I'm not a window genius. I just know it works. This is one thing this is not my expertise. So through the tank, with the tank we come out, and we actually put our water from the house into our water tank. Our water tank runs it through the pump, which runs it through the DI tank. The DI tank, which is like a sand stuff, which will take our TDS down to, like, they say it shouldn't be above 10 to 15, so it takes it really low. And then we put it on the window, we scrub the window, we rinse the window, and we're done. $100 to $200 with our added onto our house wash. It took us an extra 20 minutes, and it made us made their windows clean. Now, with that being said, there's some stipulations we have when we do window cleaning. One of them is we don't take out screens. Screens can be a pain in the neck. 9 times out of 10, screens need to be taken out from the inside of the window and either get them folded in or down, and we don't go inside people's houses. If you go into people's houses, you need to be bonded. You probably need to be drug checked. You need to be a lot of things so that people can know, like, and trust you and buy from you again. Because if you got an employee or somebody goes in there and breaks something, steals something, who's to say? It's kind of one of those, your word against them. So that's one reason why we stay outside and when we do our outside window cleaning. It's an awesome add-on. It adds, like I say, anywhere from 100 to 250. And I mean, if you're in the market, you might be able to get more than that. But that's the importance of having packages. When you have packages, people can pick that package and you don't even have to sell it. Just say, here's our packages, package one, package 2, package 3. 9 times out of 10, people are going to go with package 2. You know, we actually got 4 packages. Our package 2 is to hit a switch and we add warm water to it. Whoop-de-freaking-do. That's an extra $60, $70 to add warm water to their house wash so that we can make money. So now we added warm water, and then top on that, another $100 is to get to our window cleaning. So now we're at $160 just to do window cleaning. It's a no-brainer, guys. You need to do packages. I didn't do packages in the beginning, and I left a lot of money on the table. A lot. So just remember that. Hope you all have a great day. Please like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, ask away, and I'll be happy to get to them. I'm here to help you grow your business and to make you successful with the knowledge that I have, that I've learned in the last 7 years. We took our business from $0 to $1 million in 2018. So here's some information to help you succeed through some hurdles like we did. Learn from our mistakes. But anyway, thank you and have an awesome day.